What's up guys? I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Lisa from Blackpink. Alright, let's go. So it's going to be, she has such a playful smile, like really kawaii, okay? And I want to introduce you to one of the most iconic hairstyle she done. Well, I mean, she has so many kawaii hairstyle, right? So I had a hard time to pick one, but I think pigtail today it's gonna be so cute. And round eye, okay, go like this. And then let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bottom eyelid line. And then let's add shiny bubble, black bubble. We're gonna do, yeah, let's just draw left eye too. Okay, I gotta make sure that it's going to be same kind of a size and shape, especially when characters looking straight forward like this, right? So goes up like this, and strong eyelash. Wow. Don't worry, because I think her Banks is gonna take care of it. And hook down. I think this is nice. And let's draw her round eye. What do you think? Is this good size? I didn't make it too small, too big, right? And the shiny bubble. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then let's add a black bubble in the middle. Okay, this is good. And her nose in the middle, okay? And she has this kawaii playful smile here. And bottom lip line. Okay. Eyebrows, don't worry about it because she has a heavy bangs, kind of like mine, so you don't need to show it at all. Okay? Then we're gonna start drawing her face lines. So from left, right, I'm gonna tilt it a little because her, oh yeah, we're gonna draw her hand too. If you are drawing, what am I saying? Pencil, you don't need to worry about this part. But imagine, okay, chin's gonna be on here, okay? I wanna draw her finger here, so I can't go over. I'm just gonna imagine like this. And then from here, gotta make sure it's gonna be nicely round. Okay, I think this is good. Whew, that was tough. Sometimes drawing such a symmetric, this kind of a smile can be tough. Because everybody has, you know, like a sort of like easy angle to draw. My case is, I like drawing a left side. It's kind of easy for me to control. Right side is a little tough. I don't know why. Now we're gonna start drawing her bangs. So let's start from the middle. Okay, it's going to be pretty heavy. So I want to go really close to her eyelid. See, look, goes like this. Maybe up to here, and this side too. More. Here you go. I think this is nice. Yeah, kawaii. Okay, and from here, here goes up. Up. Goes like this. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna start drawing a round head shape. But pigtail, like a high pigtail starting here, right? So I'm gonna slightly go down like that. Okay, go like this. I think this is a good round head shape, don't you think? One side. And now let's start drawing more hairline here. Okay, go like this. Whoa, and the hair wraps right there. And I want you to do the same thing other side, okay? Go like that. Good. Here goes up. Okay. Oh, this side got a little wider. Sorry about that. Okay, I just said this side is easy for me to draw and I kind of messed it up. Sorry about that. Okay, then we're gonna start drawing a pigtail. Let's do from this side. So start with a little short, okay, and I want to go a little longer than first one. And I want to add a more layer on the bottom. Key for this kawaii pigtail is start with a little bulky, right? Kind of big ones. But then the bottom, oh sorry, the bottom part, just hair spread it out, okay? Kind of like this. Okay, and now let's do the same thing other side. Here, so start it a little bit of short, right? Kind of short. And then go, okay, now I'm gonna start going down a little. And a little long, second layer. And a third one, let's just spread it out. Kind of like this. See, so don't you feel wind, right? And we're gonna draw her finger. So she's resting her index finger, her chin, and the rest of them, pretty much making a peace sign. So here, can you draw your index finger straight up, right? And the middle finger is gonna be open up but slightly bent, kind of like that. So you can even add a shadow line like this. Ah, good. Wait, did I do? Okay, good. I thought I went a little too low. Sorry. And then ring finger, pinky, kind of you're gonna show rest of it, and you can draw from the rest of the hand, just a tiny bit. And then let's add neckline. Hi, nice. Okay, and we're gonna start adding pencil shading, pencil color. Let's do it. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so we're gonna start coloring her hair. So what I want to show you is creating a shiny kind of a spot. So can you start coloring from the top, kind of like this, okay? Create this feathery texture in the middle. And then you're gonna start adding more color from the bottom. So here it's gonna be a little shiny, so not so color, not coloring so much here. Don't color in the middle here, don't color here. So 3 sections going to be shiny. And the rest of them is gonna be pencil shading, all right? So let's start coloring. Okay, so now we're gonna start smudging using index finger. My finger is gonna be a smudge pen. If you have a smudge pen, it'd be easy. I want to create this soft texture like this with a finger. Just make it pretty, just nicely spread it out. See? And then let's see how dirty my index finger is gonna look like. Yeah, how is it? Wow, nice, hard work. Okay. Then let's start adding eye color, gray tone, okay? Not inside, but bubble, okay? But can you add a little bit of shadow underneath the eyelid? Just a little. So first layer, kind of like this, right? Smudge, 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 smudge. Then let's go little, what did I do? Oh yeah, little darker, please. From the top to middle. Like this, more dark tone, and relax your wrist in the middle. Okay, then we're gonna add a little bit of more shadow around this neckline, ears a little bit, make it a little kind of like that. Okay, and even the finger here, just the shadow. Okay, kind of like this. And I want to show you how to add lipstick color with pencil. So you follow this lip line like this from the top. Okay, and then, okay, you might want to use small smudge pen or pinky, and you're going to start adding more color. In a manga world, usually like a top lip, yeah, top lip, it's going to be more like a little thinner color, okay? You don't need to just go full shape so much. And the bottom, you're going to start adding press color like this, more color like that, see? And start smudging from a side, and then let's add a little bit of bottom right here. And then more smudge. We're going to tilt it a little bit, okay? More like that. Do you see? Kind of a realistic, right? Good. Then I'm going to use eraser. If you have a little clean corner, hopefully you do have, you're going to add one line here, here, here. And let's clean bubble. Okay, well, you don't want to smudge this section so much. Okay, and even the lip too. After you smudged everything, can you add a little, erase the middle part of bottom lip? Just a little to add shininess. See? Look, whoa. Here we go. Yay, did it. And then let's write down her name in Japanese. Because I know some of you learning Japanese, so I want to help you a little. So this is Li, Sa. And if you want to say, you know, I love you, I like you a lot, we say daisuki. So I'm going to write it down here, daisuki. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is dai. Dai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. This is ki. Nice. We did it. Good job. Here we go. Yay, yay. Ta-da! We drew Kawaii Lisa with the pigtails. Yay! With the pencil shading. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other requests, write it down here. This is a sample in the beginning I showed you. This is the one we just did together. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye. One more thing. Take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!